Good afternoon, my Blanco customers. We have a great new feature we rolled out. It's called customer acceptance. So you can now get sign off on installations. So I'll show you how it works. So on the right of my screen is my iPad. So for your installers, when they log in, they look at their calendar, they'll see, okay, I'm blinds. There's a shortcut to the install tab. If you haven't noticed that this little hammer will take you to your install ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then here, this gives you a nice simplified version of the order. Doesn't have line item totals or anything like that. But there's a new button here called customer acceptance. So when they're done with the install, they just click this button. And this actually, they can select all the lines, but however, maybe there was an issue with one, so they can unselect the one that they need a remake for, or they need to come back and update. You'll see a customer acceptance. This is actually a blue hyperlink, and you can customize the verbiage here. These products have been installed to my satisfaction, customer agrees. You can customize the verbiage on the portal. So under My Business, Terms and Conditions, Customer Acceptance. So similar to the terms and conditions for the order, you can now add your terms and conditions for the install. So you just do it, like I say, on the portal here. All right, pretty straightforward. All right, back to the right, customer acceptance. Uh, it defaults to sign electronically. However, um, you can get it a new signature for the install. So just with the customer's finger, or you can get one of those pens, they sign off on the job, and then you hit done, takes them to the payment page. They can receive payment and so forth, just like they would normally. So once this is done, the actual customer acceptance sign off shows up on the order PDF. So I'll show you what that looks like. It's up in PDF. So you have the order, and then here's the terms and conditions, and then here's the customer acceptance sign off that they approved of the form that got installed today, and then final payment. So that is the new customer acceptance feature we have. So if you have any questions, feel free to join us every Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern. We have that weekly webinar, and give us an email. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.